Moto G Pure, a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a lot of value for its price. It has a large display, a decent camera system, and a long-lasting battery. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's look into the design. The Moto G Pure has a simple and understated design. It's made of plastic, but it feels sturdy and well built. It is also water resistant, which is a nice bonus at this price point. Next is the display. The Moto G Pure has a 6.5-inch LCD IPS display with a resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels. The display is bright and colorful, and it is perfect for watching movies and TV shows. Coming to the performance, the Moto G Pure is powered by Helio G25 processor, which is a budget-friendly chip. The phone comes with a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which is expandable via micro SD card. Let's look at the camera. The Moto G Pure has an AI dual camera system on the rear, consisting of a 13 megapixel main sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front facing camera is a 5 megapixel sensor. Let's talk about the battery life. The Moto G Pure has a 4000 mAh battery, which is decent enough for a budget friendly smartphone. It supports 10-watt charging, so you can top up quickly. Moto also offers a variety of battery saving options in software to make the battery last for a whole day without worrying about running out of juice. Let's look into the software. The Moto G Pure runs Android 11 with Motorola's custom user interface on top. Motorola's UI is clean and simple, and it includes a number of unique features such as My UX and Moto Action. Now let's see the three features that makes Moto different from other smartphone brands. At number 1 is the My UX. My UX is a set of customization tools that allows you to change the look and feel of your phone. Number 2, the Moto Actions. Moto Actions are gestures that allow you to perform certain actions, such as launching the camera or turning on the flashlight. Number 3, yes, it is the ThinkShield. ThinkShield is Motorola's security platform that helps to protect your phone from malware and other threats. If you are looking for a budget-friendly phone with a lot to offer, the Moto G Pure is a great option. That concludes our today's review of the Motorola Moto G Pure. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.